Alright, little green one, I'm going to show you how to make my skeg that I made here. It goes on your Sevylor Tahiti inflatable kayak. Goes in at the end here. You have to take off your cover with the little string there holding it on. And it hooks on at the little black nodule there. Really simple. You have to put it in when it's deflated. Hook this part into the little black nodule. That just goes inside the boat there, and will be held when the boat is inflated. Really neat. So I'm going to show you how to make it here. Let's set this on the floor. Get yourself 6 pieces of standard printer paper, 8.5 by 11 inches, you know. 6 pieces. Tape them together. Like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now, grab yourself a marker and a nice little tape measure, and we're going to plot some points, okay? So, really simple. From the top, most part of the corner here, we're going to go over 6 inches. Just at the very top edge, 6 inches. Make yourself a mark right there, a dot. From the top left corner, on the edge of the paper, 8 inches. Okay, 6 inches, 8 inches. Alright, let's get another point going here. Let's go from the right side of the paper over 17 inches. 17. Then come down 3 inches. Put yourself a dot right there. Alright, now to show you what the dots are doing here, you start here at the 6 inches. Just make yourself a nice little sloping line, kind of like that. Nothing too crucial. Just make it a bit curved, like that. Now this line here, this dot here, you just make yourself a nice little curved line like that. To it. Give yourself a good radius there, like that. Okay. Let's get another dot going here. Let's go 11 inches from the top of the paper, which is about where the middle of the line, the middle part here is, and then 15 inches from the right side of the paper. Okay, that gives us a dot right there. Go for the next dot, just kind of make yourself a nice little sloping line to that one. Okay, a bit like that. Let's go the next dot here. Let's go 14 3/4 of an inch down. There. Let's go 3 1/4 inches from the side of the paper. That gives us a dot right here. Alright, and what you're going to do is just make a nice, fairly straight, but you want to give it a bit of a curve right here, and fairly straight to this dot here. Like that. Let's get a bit of a mark here. Let's go 1 1/4 inch, 1 1/4 inch. Just kind of give you a bit of a line here. And let's get our next one. Let's go 4 inches from the side of the paper. And 1 1/4 inch up, which is about where I made it. That dot right there. So there we go. Now all we got to do right here is just kind of make a nice little rounded M like that. Nothing too crucial. Okay. Let's get our next dot here. Let's go. Let's see. Let's get in frame here. Let's move my camera just a little bit down. Let's go 6 1/4 inches from the side of the paper, and let's go 5 inches up. About right there. All you got to do there is just make a nice sloping line to that one. Nothing too crucial either. Just to give you a nice shape. Okay, that's all we're doing. Alright, let's go a fairly important point here. Let's go 5 1/4 inches. 5 1/4. Alright. And let's go from the side of the paper, and let's go 9 inches up. 9 inches, which is about right there. Okay. Fairly important point right there. Now, we can come down 1.5 inches 1.5 for the point. Let's do it the same distance as that one was, 5.25. 5.25. Okay. Fairly straight line, just straight line connecting those two. Okay. Then just come off of this line 1/2 inch. Okay. Like that. Let's make this a nice little rectangle. Okay. Now, from the bottom of this point here, we can just make a nice rounded point to the second, or a nice round curve to the bottom point we have right here. Okay, just like that. Let's come. You can come 1.5 inches from this edge here. Come about 1.5 inches off of it, like that. And the bottom point of it right here, just make a nice curve coming up here, like that, and just kind of bring it up here like that. Nothing too crucial. All right. Let's get another point on here. Let's get 11.25 inches up. 11.25 up. 3 over. 1, 2, 3. Gives us a dot right there. This is going to be the bottom part of our little paddle part here. So just go from our 8-inch dot over here. Just make a nice little curve. Nothing crazy. Just a nice curve. And let's go 13 3/4 up. Like that. 4 3/4 over. Doesn't sound right, but I think that's about right there. Gives us just a little point right there. And another kind of crucial point. Let's go 19.25 inches up. Kind of crucial, so make it perfect. 19.25. And let's go 5.5 over. 5.5 over. 5.5 inches over. So it's right in here. Okay. Now, what that is the uppermost point of our curve here. What you can do now is just take this line here, come over 2 inches from it, perpendicular from it, just come kind of 2 inches, make some dots like this. Okay, and you see our curve here is actually a little bit too much. We can make it just kind of fade into this one, and just kind of so we go from this top point here, just kind of make a curve around, come off of this one here. Just make it a bit like that. It's nothing too crucial. You just want to get that, 2 inches from this. A 2-inch nice bar right there gives you enough strength to hold it together. Then we have our point here. Nothing really too crucial. We can just kind of come off of it, come down, hit that point, come down to the next one. And we can make it a little bit more rounder, actually, like that. Yeah, just something nice and curvy like that. You can make this part a little bit longer if you want to make it fit into the tubes a little bit better, but that's nothing too bad. So that's pretty much it. So let's see if we lined up to what I got here, and it is fairly close. So there we go. It's fairly close. So you can, like I said, see this, none of this matters. You can make it bigger like that. You can make it more shallow, make it more of a slope cut. See, 2-inch wide bar to get that all kind of flavor like that. See, this isn't important. This is just a shape, you know. So just give it a nice round shape. All right. So what we got here, I've got 3 pieces of 3/8-inch plywood. You could use just a thicker piece of wood, anything like that, but it has to be one solid piece. I've screwed these together, and on the end here, it's nicely sanded, nice and smooth. I take 2 old black socks and put it over it like that to protect it from, to protect it in the boat, from putting a hole in the boat. You're going to have to shape this. It's not going to be a 1/2 inch thick. You're going to have to shape it, make it nice and round, get it to fit into the boat, the little black nodule. And you should have a lot better time. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to ask. Comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your inflatable kayak, because this really helps out. Have a good one.